I'm Akinyichu. On this video, I will show you how to cartoon your picture. Yes, please click the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. It's very important. It's very important. Why you need to watch this video? Yes, if you are ready to change your image, if you want to cartoon your picture, or if you are a photographer, you understand, after you edit the picture and you want to give any addition to the picture and you want to make it a cartoon, yes, you need it to watch this video. Watch from the start, don't skip, watch to the end. Yes, let's dive in. Now go to Play Store, this Play Store. Yeah, you search for uh tone me, tone app, tone app. Yes, tone app. Like this one, I've already installed. This one I'm using now, I've already installed it. You get, so you will see many app there. You get, see many app there. Now let's go to the main one I choose. This is on my phone, tone app. You see, click on it. Now this thing has free and paid version. Yes, see this diamond on it is for paid version. Anyone that you search and it doesn't have, like this one clear, is free. You see the rest are paid. The rest are paid. The rest are paid. Now see this 3D cartoon. You see free. You see free and you see paid one. So you can choose any one at all. Just play with the app. Play with it. Please subscribe, like, and share. So now let me just pick anyone from the 3D. From the 3D, let me use this my 6 star. No. Let me use this image. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, create cartoon. You click on create cartoon. Now you see different types of image. If you want, the image should be anyhow you want it. Anyhow you want it. Anyhow you want it. Anyhow, if you want it to be old, look at that image. Wow. Look at this. I love this. I love this. Wow. Look at the old tree. Yes. Now, if you want it to be small, like you can see, you can just play with it. Play with it. Yes. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me check this anime. Wow. Wow. Now, if you want to, if you choose anyone you like, then just click this mark button here. Click on this mark button. It has already saved to your gallery. You can see it has already saved to your gallery, and if you want to paste it to Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, look at it there. So I'm not going to click on that. Exist. So that's for the 3D. Now for the 2D, you can just select anyone you want at all, at all, at all, at all. Now this image I'm using here, yeah, where is the image again? Where is the image? Okay, this image, I do a tutorial on how to create this type of image. Check my YouTube channel, watch how to generate image on my channel. You see, I do a tutorial on that. So it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Let it finish to load. You can see. So let's see how the background will look like. This is the background. You see, let me check this Qatar. Wow, wow, wow. You can see. So you can also select any of these colored. You see, click on this anyhow you want it. Anyhow you want it. Let me find this. Wow, 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 wow. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, in case if you are beautiful, you can use it. If you are ugly, you can use it. So, just play along with the cartoon. You see. So, these are for the one I first of all choose. Wow, I love it. I love it. Now, if you want to do birthday, so you can use this app instead of you paying much for your what's it called, for photographer to take money from you. You can just easily make up, do your makeup. Yeah, we call it hookup. You understand? Do your makeup. After you do your makeup, then you just easily snap yourself, bring out your image, put it on this app. Fine, you have done. So that is that for the 2D exist. Uh, Now for the picture, this one is for profile. It's for profile. It's for profile. You can see profile picture. Profile picture. Let's select this. Let's select this. Okay. I use this image. Don't forget, I did a video on how to generate this image. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's very important. It's very important. Let YouTube know that I'm trying my best. Wow, look at, look at, look at, look at. You see, like me, I love a pink color. A pink color. Let me see this. Wow, 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 wow. You can see this for profile on Tone Me app. So ask me a question on this app. I will show you some things there in case if you want to do maybe in an animal. You get, look at, look at, look at. Let's click on this. Just play along with the app. Just play along with the app. Play along. I'm looking for image. Let me use this our Baba cartoon here. Oh. I'm sorry, oh Baba Presidency. You know, I'm just playing with the app. In case if you see this, I'm just playing with the app. Now, person Papa, you be I beg you. You see, just fine. Wow, just fine. Anyhow, just fine. Anyhow, anyhow. You see, look at, look at. So I'm not going to do this. So that's for that for the animal tone. This one is a clamation. This is clamation. Let me check this again. Let me use this bro. Wait, it's loading. Let me see. Let me see. It's loading. It's loading. With just few minutes. Wow. Look at that image. Look at the image that it bring. So we are not using this. Yes, we are not using this. Wow. So full photo cartoon. Just play with anyone at all. The one that you know is very okay for you. Let me use this. Great. Wow. Something went wrong. What happened? What went wrong? I don't know. This is not my fault. Since from their, so that's that for the full photo cartoon. So funny caricature. Let's see. Let's see how I generate this image. You get, check on my YouTube channel, you will see. Now see this caricature, it only brings image, another person image, another cartoon, then it cuts off the head. Now you just set the head to this caricature. You can see. So wow, I love this. Let me see this. You can see. Just set it. Play along with it. In case if the head is too small, you can just use your two hands to enlarge it. You can see. So just enlarge it. Just enlarge it. Move the head along. You see. Then you just find a way to select. So in case, just work with the image. It's very easy to use. So easy to use. So easy. So easy to use. It's called caricature. So that is for caricature there. So let's go to anyone at all. This join the Poking Universal. So anyone you choose. Male. Continue. This one is asking for your skin and every other thing. So this one, it seems that you will pay for this. You pay for this, but let me just try. Let me try. 1, 2, 3, and let me use one of my brother. And this. Let's see. So that's what I said. I said you pay for this. You pay for this. So that's that for that. Please comment. At least let people know that. Let YouTube know that I try for this video. I try. You are there for me. I'm there for you. Thank you. Please don't forget to share, to subscribe, to comment. Please let other people know this channel. I'm Akinrichu. That is my YouTube name. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.